guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lola Tatiana here, and today I'm going to be doing like a spring cleaning of some of my makeup and some things that I feel like I need to get rid of. I just thought it'd be interesting to go through and tell you guys why I'm getting rid of it and why I chose these things, and wondering if maybe you guys are kind of and just wondering if maybe you guys are sick of the same things as well, or if kind of you still have those things and get rid of them, or what are you getting rid of out of your makeup collection. You comment that down below, and then remember to like and subscribe to this channel, or like the video, subscribe to the channel. So I'm gonna just get right into it because I don't want this to be a long video. I just kind of want to explain to you guys some makeup products I'm getting rid of. So first things first, that I feel like it's kind of not a no-brainer for me, but just, yeah, why do I still have these Wet n Wild, this one hasn't even been opened, these color icons. Like, I used to love these, and I don't hate them. It's just so many better things out there. I never reach for these. I forget that I have them, so they're going in the trash. Oh yeah, and then disclaimer, I know I said that one wasn't open, but this stuff is so old, I would not feel comfortable donating this to anyone or trying to find someone to give it to, because I just wouldn't give someone my leftover scraps. Like, that's just not what I would do. So anyways, next we're going to go to this Benefit Brow. I'm just not a big fan of the Benefit eyebrow products. I prefer Anastasia products over anything. And then this is just like, I don't know, it's just mediocre to me. I got this in like a sample kit, so it's really small. It comes with this little brush. I just never use this. I'm sure it's dried out by now anyway. The next thing that this was like a hard one for me because I didn't know if I wanted to get rid of these or not, because I love these. When I loved them, but now I never use. I cannot remember the last time I used one of these. These are the Colourpop liquid lipsticks. I have so many of them here. Oh, there's actually a Kylie in here. I'm gonna keep the Kylie. But these Colourpop ones, they're just so old. And these were like one of the first ones. This is like when Colourpop first came out. I feel like their formula changed and then they came out with like the satin lips. But these are the matte ones. And these are so dry and they're just not good for me. I mean, the staying power is good. And then also, I'm just not into a matte lip anymore. Like, I'm always wearing lip gloss. I'm never reaching for a matte. So I think these are just gonna go. There's also some Anastasia mixed in here, I think. They're like the same packaging. I should look through this and see. Okay, so I'm not finding any Anastasia. But, I don't know. Look through these. I might keep some of these. This is the Karuchi line she did with Colourpop. That was like my all-time. That was my jam. Woo, this was my jam, the Karuchi line. And it's my Ray Ray. I'm pretty sure I still got the Stingray. It's my Ray Ray in here. All that. So, yeah, that's taking it way back. And I think it's just time for me to let these go. I might keep some of them. So, if you see them in another video or something, don't hold me to it, because some of those colors are really cute. And you can use them for like lip liners. I don't know. That's just me trying to rationalize it in my mind. Okay, so the next thing I'm getting rid of are these. I don't even know what to call these. Well, there's actually two different things in here. These are the Too Faced version of them. The melted. This is a melted metal. This is a melted chocolate. This is just a melted liquefied longwear lipstick. I don't even know why I liked it. I think I liked these just because everyone else did, but they're not nothing special. This color is actually pretty. I do like this color, the chocolate milkshake. Okay, and they're uncomfortable to wear to me. They're not comfortable. They don't really dry matte. They're not glossy. They're like this weird in between. So okay. And then LA Girl came out with their version, and these are like, I actually like these ones better. And I mean, I have more of them because at the time they were definitely a lot less expensive. That's not why I have more than them. But I do like these ones better just because they're more glossy. I feel like they're more opaque. These are really like someone took a tube of lipstick and mushed it down and put it in a tube, which I think that's what they were going for. but these were more my vibe and more vibrant to me. So, but I don't use these. I don't wear these. I haven't worn these in years. It's time to let go. Okay, so the next product that I'm getting rid of, which was another thing that was hard for me too, because I have so many of them and I love these for so long, but there's just so many better things out that I have access to and that I have now. I don't reach for these at all. These are another ones that I'm like, I'm kind of in my heart regretting it a little bit, because I really liked these when I was using them, but I just don't reach for them anymore. And then I have some, or just one maybe. I have two of these that have not even been opened. These two. Are they the same color? No. Pure beige used to be like my jam for highlighting. I really feel like this was too light for me now, but back then this was like all I used. So these two haven't even been opened, but like I've had these for probably 10 years. No, probably like a good like 7 or 8. But these, another LA Girl product that was like all the rage back when these came out. Everybody used these, everybody had these, everybody loved these. I don't really feel like I see people really using them or loving them. And then they do this weird thing where they separate. They get liquidy and like kind of nasty, and they're hard to blend out once they get like that. So it's just time for me to say good riddance. Okay, lastly, this is the one that was like the hardest decision for me to make. But I think I'm just gonna do it and get rid of these, because I mean, let's not even get into all of the controversy regarding this brand, because let's just not get into that. But I'm going to get rid of these because I don't use them. I feel like there's just so much hype around these palettes when they came out that they're really not that good. Like, especially if you're darker skin tone, like, especially if you're darker than me, I really don't see how you could use these. But even I have trouble. They're just really ashy, chalky. Like, let me try to find a color. Like this green. This palette, I stayed up all night to order this. I stayed up till midnight or whenever it dropped, ordered it, and went to bed. I wanted this so bad, and I barely have even touched it. This is really, it's really a beautiful palette. Like, the colors are beautiful, the packaging is beautiful, but I don't use it. So as far as, like, look at that. You can't even, I mean, I'm touching it enough. It looks like I'm barely touching it, but I feel like I'm touching it enough. And even when I'm trying to build, it's weak. I don't know. These just aren't that. They're just not it to me. All these, this one, I might have got this one at TJ Maxx. Or I might not have. I might have paid full price for this. I don't remember. This one, I was like, oh my god, I can't wait. Only thing about this one that I do like, and I'm going to talk about too, is the ones at the top, which I am keeping. These Metal Crush eyeshadows. I'm keeping these because these are good. Oh! I didn't break them. But anyways, yeah, I'm keeping those. Those are good. And that is the same formula that it's up top on here. But I just don't reach for it. I forget about it. It's just taking up so much space. The palettes are so big. Like, I don't travel with this. Like, I'm not traveling with this. It's just big for no reason. And then I am keeping this. The Alchemist. Now, this is really pretty. Like this, I can pull this out with any colorful look I do. These are the perfect inner eye colors. You got a pink, you got a violet, you got a sapphire, you got an emerald. And I know they all look white, but when you put them on your skin, they have a shift to each of those colors. So that is something I'm going to keep. And I wish I could buy another one of these because I really love this. But anyways, yeah, these, I'm just not going to keep them. They don't get use from me. Shade and Light Eye. I bought this because I was so pressed to have some Shade and Light, and the contour palette didn't work for me, so I got the Shade and Light Eye. I did kind of use these colors a decent amount, but these, like, I'm not about to use this. Like, it's not even like a nice, So, saying goodbye to KVD. Alright, so thanks for tuning into this video. Those are all the products that I'm going to be getting rid of. Maybe I'll do a part 2 if I find some other things that I just need to declutter out of my collection. I'm sure there's plenty of things. I've been collecting makeup for a long time, and most of this stuff has been in here for a long time. So it's time to get rid of some stuff. So that's my spring cleaning makeup collection video. And thank you guys for watching. Comment. It doesn't have to be makeup. It can be anything. What are you decluttering this season. And then like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you later.